Not the greatest day, but we've got to install 5 packages of bees today. It's kind of rainy and drizzly, and they're going into these hives. And as I say, not the greatest day, but these ladies can't stay in their cages very much longer. So we're heading up to our supplier, which is Honeybound Apiaries in Stratford, Connecticut. Gonna go up there, we're gonna pick up 5 packages of bees. Here we are at Honeybound Apiaries, and guess who's here to help us with his bees? What's your name, Scooter?
My name is Connor O'Neill.
Connor O'Neill. Do you work here?
Yes.
Are you gonna show us our bees today?
Yes.
Great, come on, let's go see our bees.
Okay.
You're gonna show us the bees now. Where are our bees today?
Right here. Look.
Our bees are all right here. We have 211 packages, all from Massachusetts.
From Massachusetts. Wow.
Yeah.
You're gonna give me the special ones for my hives?
Yes.
Great.
All right. This is the second package of what he ordered. Let's go.
We'll fix them. Don't worry, Connor.
All right. Let's go get the other. Now, if you're looking for a bee suit for kids, you could always go on eBay. That's where my dad got my bee suit. So just a heads up.
We made it. We've got to install these bees into our hives. The first thing we're going to do is get these hives prepared. We're going to do that by removing some frames. 3 frames. This year we're using all plastic. We're going to try something a little different. And we also have wood frames with plastic. These plastic frames are coated with wax and supposedly give the bees a little head start. So we're going to try these this year and see how they work out. First thing we're going to do is remove the little Luan cover here that's stapled down. And we're going to kind of save this cover. We're going to need it. The next thing we're going to do is make a little room here. Open it up. We're going to spray these bees a little bit with a little sugar water without drowning them. We're going to kind of knock them down a bit to the bottom. And we're going to get this. Okay, now we got a hand on it. We're going to do and cover that so that not too many bees come out. Now one of the more important things that we've got to do is get this queen out and get her situated. There's a drone. They look a little different. See that drone? He's bigger and he's just as cute as can be. And he just pooped on me. Did you see that poop on there? He just pooped on me. He pooped again. Okay. Now let's check our queen. And she's in there. And she's running around. And she's got a few attendants in there. And she looks nice and healthy. Okay, now let's get this one. First thing we got to do is we'll take these girls off of there. And this is the candy end. And there's a cork over there. We're going to remove this cork, and the bees will eat through from this side, and some of them will eat through from this side, and in a few days they'll release this queen. And we're going to put her right like that. See how good these plastic frames work. I think they're kind of accept this queen because they're already moving around this cage and they're putting their tongues in there. It looks like they're trying to feed her. So let's get these bees in here. And the way we'll do that is we're going to spray them a little bit more. And bang them down a bit. That's pretty good. Put these in front of the hive. They'll come out. Put these in gently because the bees are on the bottom. We want them to get out of the way without crushing them. Move these together. That looks pretty good. Now we're going to put feeders on. And we're going to feed these girls. And that's a 1-to-1. And the last thing we do is there's always a few bees left in the box, and we leave those right at the hive entrance, and within a day or so they'll work their way into the hive. Very important, this is a weak colony, just installed. We use an entrance reducer to keep that opening as small as possible so they can defend it. All 4 boxes are now installed. And now we're going to leave them alone. We got one more to do.
Can we get the rubber band? The high tools I can't. What'd you do with the rubber bands?
We're on.
I thought you took them. Hey.
Kind of got carried away with those handles a little bit.
Why? Aren't they nice?
Okay.
You're jealous. a little pissed off, aren't they?
That looks real good.
How's she look?
Did we check her out?
No.
Oh, she's running around in there.
Yeah.
She looks good.
Yeah. Okay.
Did you name her yet?
No.
Oh, you got one Italian queen and you can't think of a name for her?
Sophia.
Sophia?
Yeah. So warm.
We've got all 5 packages installed and everything went pretty smooth. Even his package for his first time. And you're going to get a lot of honey from Sophia.
Sophia's gonna work.
Yeah. We've installed them and we're going to check them in about 3 or 4 days to make sure those queens have been released. If not, we'll give them a little push. And then we're going to leave them alone for a couple of weeks and make sure they're drawing out comb and that the queens are functioning as they should. We're going to kind of leave them alone. We'd like to thank Little Connor.
Yes.
Little Connor was great.
Yes.
Yeah, he carried all the bees for me. I wish he was here. Well, if you like the video, subscribe, click on the like button, and we'd like to thank Honeybound Apiaries for helping us with these bees. And if you'd like to contact them, there'll be a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in a couple of weeks and show you what's been going on with these hives.